Hey, it's nice to be here. And from the start, I have disclaimer with little letters. So be careful because this lecture does not contain any tax, accounting, financial, investment, legal, medical, life, spiritual, sexual, or nutritional advice. If you feel that any of these is advice or guidance, you have been the victim of a collective hallucination and should take care to erase it from your consciousness immediately during the after party. Cryptocurrencies are very dangerous in terms of the risk of laundering the proceeds of crime, and any transactions or discussions about cryptocurrencies should be reported to the financial police immediately. In the event that you incur a tax liability that you believe you must declare, you should do so in your tax residency. And a tax hell with a tax rate higher than 0% must be considered by any moral person as supporting organized crime. Drugs are bad. Okay, so from the way the media speak to us, it would seem that the world is going to ruin and exponential technology is leading to ecological disaster. So, this is a lecture with a happy ending. The story of exponential technologies and why Bitcoin is the new Batman. Okay, I have some positive charts here, so I hope it's okay. Okay, this chart is really important because it shows that excess is killing us more than lack now. So, let's see what this last century brings to us. Over the last 100 years, the average human lifespan has more than doubled. Average per, average per capita income adjusted for inflation around the world has tripled. Childhood mortality has come down a factor of 10. And add to that, the cost of food, electricity, transportation, communication have dropped 10 to 1,000-fold. And we kept setting out expectations higher and higher. The majority of people under the poverty line still have electricity, water, toilets, television, mobile phones, air conditions, and cars. Masai warrior on a cell phone in the middle of Kenya has better mobile com than President Reagan did 25 years ago. And phone in your pocket is literally 1,000,000 times cheaper and 1,000 times faster than a supercomputer of the 70s. And how does Bitcoin fit into all of these? If we talk about exponential technologies, Bitcoin is one of the most important. And why? And why is Bitcoin the new Batman? Bitcoin can be store of value, which means Bitcoin is a tool to protect against inflation. In Afghanistan, there is Code to Inspire, which is a group of people who teach women in Afghanistan how to avoid rules and how to use Bitcoin and travel around the world for a freer future. Bitcoin is great for unbanked people, which is still most of the world, because it's alternative for people who are unable to have a bank account. And Bitcoin can help you if you need transfer assets across borders, which means if a person is fleeing a totalitarian state, they can sell their assets and exchange them for Bitcoin, and they can literally cross the border naked, just with Bitcoins in their mind. And of course, thanks to Bitcoin, we can avoid being tracked by banks and the state. So, why Bitcoin is the new Batman? It's because it's one of the exponential technologies, and we already have exponential technologies. They are just waiting for us to learn how to use them. Thank you.